Hey guys, and welcome to today's unboxing. I'm super hyped about this unboxing. It's obviously from Louis Vuitton. It's the Game On collection. It's the women's collection, and shout out to this pretty packaging. So let me go on all sides of this Game On packaging for you. We've got this sort of heart on this front. On the side we have this. We have the blue pattern on the other side of the bag, and we have it again on the side, and the two handles are red and black. So let's unbox the first of the 3 Louis Vuitton items. We have the box in here and the receipt. Okay, let's get the ribbon off. And here's just what they come with for this collection. Nothing on the other side. Okay, so taking the ribbon off, just bear with me. And inside we have one. So excited about this piece. Oh wow, even the tissue paper has the monogram packaging. All right, so I love the new tissue paper that it comes with. And inside, guys, we have one of the Game On card holders. How cute is this? I'm in love. So of course it comes in the dust bag. Now this Game On card holder is in the epi leather and the monogram canvas. And here we have, I guess, one of the Louis Vuitton, things. And this is part of the Cruise 2021 women's ready-to-wear collection. So as you can see, it's inspired by playing cards. It features the red heart on the white background in a design incorporating the LV initials and the monogram flower. Now this card holder has 3 slots. It's actually quite a unique card holder. I've not had one of these types of configurations from Louis Vuitton before. So this is the transformed epi leather and the monogram coated canvas. Now this has the card slot 1, 2, and 3 in the middle. So let me give you some size comparison. I've got my NIGO Pocket Organiser. I've got my Reverse Monogram Card Holder. They're all roughly the same size. So just so you can see the comparison. So if you're going for fitting as many cards in SLG as you can, then you can't go past the pocket organisers. They have the most pockets. This Louis Vuitton Game On card holder and my Reverse Monogram one have 3 card slots, if you will. So they fit the same amount of cards inside. But I just love this design. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I feel really lucky I could grab a piece. Okay, I'm going to do some really tight shots for you so you can see everything up close. So here's the logo there. Here's the heart in the center. All right, so I'm going to go and do some really tight shots for you guys now. So here's the edges, here's the logo on the side, here's the heart in the center, and again it's the same logo down the bottom. The stitching is on point with the black border. I'll just turn it over, and we just have the normal Louis Vuitton monogram on the back. Again, always check the stitching, guys, when you get your items, but this stitching is absolutely perfect, and you can see the 3 card slot holders here. All right, I'm going to try this configuration. I'm going to put the 2 cards here. I'm only going to put 1 in this slot, and I'm going to just put the 1 in the center. All right, personally for me, 4 cards is enough in this wallet. I guess you could maybe fit some cash, but it's a pretty tight fit. So I just wanted to show you guys what this could actually fit in case you're interested in buying this one. It's super cute. So I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Now please stay tuned. I'll be unboxing 2 more items from this collection, and I'll get them up onto my YouTube as soon as possible. They'll also be going up quicker onto my Instagram, so you can head on over to Donna Hart's Beauty and see them up there now. All right, again, thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.